Hi, my name's Jennifer. I'm the owner of the Sparkle House in Gary, Indiana. Lots of people ask me, how do you stick all these things to your wall, from rocks to shells to marbles to stones? And so I thought, well, I'll just do a little tutorial about how to stick things to your wall. Now, mosaics is what I'm calling this. Is it technically a mosaic? I don't know. But what I do use, I've tested for 2 years now, so I know this Loctite Power Grab all-purpose glue grabs in 0 seconds. This is what I use for the interior, not the exterior. Doesn't work outside, just interior. Also, this does come in a caulk tube, which is kind of what I prefer, but this works well too. They were out at the store. Now for outdoors, I use this stuff. Premium Construction Adhesive, Loctite PL3X. Excellent hold for exterior objects, which are much the same as what I use inside, rocks, mirror, marbles, jewelry, all sorts of crazy things. But it's held up through 2 winters. Gary, Indiana is in a really cold place right off the Lake of Michigan, so believe me, this stuff works. Okay, here's a piece of glass. This is a little too large for how I like to use the glass. I like it to be a little smaller so that it really glitters when you walk by. So I'm going to use my nippers here. Okay, and that's how I get my little pieces of glass. So I'm going to take a little bit of this glue. I'm going to put some on the back, about like so. Find a nice, clean, dry, flat place on the wall. And let's say I put it right here. Stick it on, let go. Here's a cute little seashell. Okay, so I'm going to find the back that rests on the wall. I'm going to put a little dab of glue right there. Let's see, let me tuck it in here. We'll tuck it in there. There it goes. Now this shell is too large to be stuck to the wall by itself. It's just got too much weight. I don't want it to flip back and fall, which it will. So instead I put this nail here to support its weight. And when it's dry, I will just pull that nail out. So if you want to put a necklace up on the wall like this or a row of beads, take your caulk, and honestly it works better if it's in a caulk gun. I actually have never tried it with this tube. I don't think it would work very well. You need a nice steady stream of caulk that you would press along here, all the way to here. The same with here. Perhaps I, tacked this to the wall on either side so I could have some control. I put the beads up into the caulk and then press the beads into the caulk, and it sticks like that. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jennifer Taylor. If you want to learn more about my big art project, go to sparklehouseart.com and buy my t-shirt.